Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well. Hope you've all stayed safe during Storm Ernest, not quite sure what they called it, but it was quite a bad one. A lot of trees down where I am, and yeah, a lot of diversions, roads closed. But I'm back out now. It's still very windy, as you can probably hear and see in the background. Trying out this Lmab Kofi natural perch pattern. Very big lure. I think it's 23 centimetres, not 100%. Not fishing a river I wanted to fish today, because a lot of places are flooded and the wind is so bad. I came to where I know it should be at least fishable. So we're going to give this a go. Very big bait. Added a 10 gram fast sinker onto this. And if you have a look at the bottom, I've drilled some holes and added in some glass rattles. Not sure if you can hear that over this wind. It's absolutely awful. But yeah, hopefully that could be the difference in catching and not. Not quite sure how it's going to go, as you know, it's fishing and not catching, but conditions are against us, but let's see if we can catch some fish anyway. Finally we had a hit, but I didn't get it. Not sure if it felt the hook. Let's try and get it. It hit it from the side. Pretty big bait. Weren't a massive pike, it was probably 4 or 5 pounds. Yeah, fish on. Super windy day today, guys. We managed to land our first pike on the Lmab Kofi perch. Sweet. This one's been feeding up really well. Good belly on that one. Right, let's get it back and see if we can catch some more. Morning, mate.
Yeah, sorry, let me stick up on you. I saw you pulling them out. Oh.
Yeah, not a bad one.
No. They're hit when it's cold like this, huh?
If you're doing it really slow, they do.
Yeah.
This one's got a bit of go in him at the moment.
Yeah. Nice.
As a hit. Oh, it's just hit it again. Oh, great. Oh, I have no idea what that is. Thank God for strong line. Things I pull out of this river is unreal. Honestly thought my lure was a goner there. Hey, another one on the Kofi. Sweet. Another pike nails the Kofi natural perch. You can see it's hit that side on. Sweet. Sweet, guys. Another pike takes the Lmab Kofi natural perch colour. Turned out to be not a bad session considering the conditions we're fishing in and change of venue. Right, we'll get it back, see if we get some more. This time next month I'm going to start fishing some canals and start looking for some zander. Check out the light rod. Oh, we've just had another follow from a pike there, and I was just talking rubbish, not concentrating. I completely missed it. Right, let's see if it'll come back. I might have spooked it though, but it definitely didn't feel no hooks. It literally just nudged it and I scared it. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed that session. Had a few miss hookups there. I'm not sure if it's the wind or the size of the bait, and it's just jacks hitting my lure. But yeah, all good fun though. Really enjoyed the session, especially in these conditions. Wind is seriously picking up now. I'm going to get going, and I'll catch you all soon.